I'm going to show you how to install this grab handle cover. This grab handle cover, one's already installed right here. This is on the driver's side. It's the same for all 4 of the covers for the grab handle. First, you remove the factory trim piece. Just pop it off and pull carefully so you can keep this and replace if you ever want to in the future. Then you take the new cover. It slides in place where the old one was, like that. And use a 5mm wrench. Install. I forgot to mention that you have to remove the bolt that was there. I believe that's a 10mm socket. Mine's already removed because I have the grab handle covers already installed. You tighten that. That's good and snug. And you're done. You now have a complete grab handle cover. Now you're ready to mount with any sort of mounting system that fits in these M5 holes.